It's time for another Scene Stealing Side.
And we are taking the humble green bean.
And we're elevating it to culinary greatness.
Oh, this dish is delicious. And it's gorgeous on the table.
Gorgeous! Yay! So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My stringy beanie Loon. Couldn't come up with a good one. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love string beans. I've been, ever since I was a kid, I love green beans. And so
I didn't.
A lot of people are in your boat, but we're going to make them so everyone's going to love them.
Yes, they're so good, y'all.
Let's get going on this. So we got a medium size, no, pretty large skillet here, and I've got medium heat is what I was going to say. And so now I've got just one onion that I've cut into strips. You don't have to be real precise about it. You could do it chopped if you like, but I just kind of like.
I like the strips because it's kind of like the shape of the green bean, which are, look at these gorgeous green beans. Look at those.
Those are gorgeous. Yes. I love it. So I mean, if you can. We're going fresh here, and don't worry. The thing when I was a kid, I didn't like the fresh as much because I didn't want them, if they were undercooked, they were a little waxy taste. And we're going to get these where they're really nice and tender and loaded with incredible flavor. But first, we're going to let these cook down until they're nice and soft, and that's only going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, these are beautiful.
Those are good, but you've almost caramelized those.
Oh, no. They're just starting to brown, which is beautiful, the way you like it.
I know.
Okay, so now we're going to add up.
Quit, never mind.
Quit second guessing me. Okay, so now we've got some garlic here, and that is 2 nice sized cloves of garlic that we've minced, and just going to amp up the flavor even more.
And look at I love these green beans. Now, when you get fresh green beans, you have to make sure, because on the ends, they're usually like little stringers or whatever. You just want to kind of snap it off like that.
Oh, snap!
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap. So, yeah, and if you like, I mean, they're kind of fun long like that. If you don't like them, if you're used to those canned variety, then you can cut them in half, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are,
this is ready for
no, not yet, but soon. Now we are, this combination of flavors, it makes it so perfect for the holidays. This, believe it or not, is a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
This is going to give it a little bit of spice. This is a teaspoon of ground cumin, and then we're going to just really mix things up. And I've got just a pinch of red pepper flakes.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Smell that? This is just quintessential.
It's perfect for the Easter table.
It is.
Or whatever
or
holiday.
Thanksgiving, any kind of a holiday feast. It just has that holiday festive taste to it. Okay, so
it's good next to a ham.
Well, that's what people said about me. Okay.
Take your green beans.
Take your green beans and go home. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just let ththese kind of get coated a little bit with that amazing.
Smells so good.
The smell is incredible. A little get it nice and coated with those seasonings and that oil, and they're going to begin to soften, and that's going to take about 4 minutes. It's already just so beautiful and festive, but
it looks so
great. So
it smells great too.
It does. The smell is amazing. So now we're going to do what's called braising, and we're going to. That means just cooking in liquid. So we're going to add. This is 1 14 and a half ounce can of diced tomatoes with the liquid, and so look at that.
I love it.
Isn't it beautiful?
You know, I lied about not liking green beans.
I thought you did. I was like, wait a minute.
Wait, the only way I liked them though was in the green bean casserole.
Well, those are good too.
Yeah, standalone was just like, eh.
Well, my mom did and does, and my grandma would always slow cook them with a big old salt pork. And I mean, of course, that's to die for.
Yes.
But okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to close this up, and we're going to, like I said, we're just going to let it braise. I'm going to turn this heat down to medium low. And then it's going to braise in there, and they're going to get super soft for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to add just a couple more seasonings, and then they're ready to eat. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. I am so.
It smells so good.
The smell. Oh,
wow!
Isn't that beautiful?
That is braised to perfection. Look at that.
Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, so if you're like us. When it comes, time to make your holiday feast, it's always fun to do something new and kind of like surprise people with something traditional like green beans, but do it a little different. I'm telling you, you haven't tried it yet, but this I think you're going to say fits the bill.
You will love it. You're going to love it.
So now we are going to really even amp up the flavors a little more. I've turned off the heat. I've got a tablespoon here of red wine vinegar.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we've got a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just going to stir that in. Now, what's great about this is you can do a lot of this up in advance of serving. So you can get it all the way prepared before the braising, and then just start braising, and you know you're going to serve in 30 minutes. So 30 minutes before serving time, do this. Now the final gorgeous piece of the little addition that we add are these slivered almonds. You can toast them for even more flavor, but it makes it look elegant, and it just really adds a nice crunch and beautiful flavor.
That's all right. Awesome.
Isn't that fun? Okay, so now I'm going to
come on. Serve me up there, Mr. Longway.
I'm going to, Mr. Loon. Now, you could serve this with a slotted spoon, but you want to get all of those nice braising juices in there.
Oh, perfect.
I gave you a nice big heaping helping.
Oh, Chris, that looks so good.
Isn't the smell crazy?
It's just, I can't eat it.
I know. And you still may be thinking, why would you add cinnamon to that? Just wait.
Look, you guys. Look at that. Just there's just so many textures too, Chris.
It
really is amazing.
I love tomatoes. I love green beans. I love everything about this. And okay.
Did you put a little extra of your slivers on there?
Oh no! Right.
All right. I'm gonna see how I can get this. There we go.
Okay.
All right. Hold. All right. Ready?
Let me get a sliver. Okay.
I gotta blow it off. Blow on it a little.
Yeah. Have you ever had green beans that good? even maybe the green bean casserole? Isn't that so awesome?
This is better than the green bean casserole. The thing about this is that it keeps the integrity of the little green bean.
Yeah. And I know, our little green bean, Mr. Bean.
Y'all. The flavors are just
it's so warming. And
it's really. Y'all make this for everybody will love you. And it's 10,000% gluten-free.
It's because he's so amazed that we took little boring green beans and made them this good.
You've made this like 3 times before.
It's been a long time, and I was like, we gotta make Easter's coming. Let's make some good.
Yeah.
Let's shake things up a little bit.
That's so good.
Leave it to the green bean.
Yeah.
All right, bye everybody.
Bye,
We love you so much.
Yay, stay safe and have a good time.